Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 11 Ultra, and I'll show you how to enable or disable the NFC on this device. So first you should go to the settings, and here just tap to the connection and sharing section. Scroll a little bit down with your finger and you'll see the NFC section. Just to turn on NFC, tap once on the switcher, and just to turn it off, tap on the switcher again. And the second way, let's just go to the notification panel, and right there you'll see the NFC icon. Just to turn it on, tap once to the NFC and you'll see the NFC icon is blue. That means that the NFC is turned on, and just to turn it off, tap again here on this icon. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.